Hi guys, so this is going to be a very quick video because the other day I ran out of ATG. As you can see, it ended, and I've had several people ask if I could show how to refill it, and a lot of times when I do things like that, it's like within another video, and I'm not going to title it that way, you know, so I can understand that. And the other thing is that the other videos on this are probably super old. Sometimes they're grainy, they're hard to see, the angles are weird, because this is, you know, old school YouTube. We used to do a lot of fun things. So I'm going to do this real quickly. Oh, I just finished up this card. Look how cute. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that in the description box. But, and I'll have links, affiliate links, you know, for these guys if you're interested, which would mean I will make a small commission if you're purchasing items through those links. Of course, you can find the Scotch ATG, Advanced Tape Glider ATG, in a lot of places nowadays. Back in the day, I know I have two of them because I was like, when it came out, everybody needed to have it, so I finally got one from Flowers to Flourishes, if you guys remember that site. I don't even know if it's still available. Every day they had like a sale or like a thing. Every day they sold one item until it sold out, and I got that, and I think in the meantime I saw it at Michael's, but I had reordered it, so I bought both of them. Anyway, we're going to open this up. So let's, this part is a pain. These two things I hear you're going to see are hinges, okay? Do not rip those, and in opening this, I've torn them in the past, so this one is actually broken, but it's not opening this top part, okay? You've got to press this, and there's a little line there, and it's showing you little arrows, but usually it's really hard to do. I loosened mine up just so I wouldn't be fighting with it, but honestly, if I clicked it back in, it takes some work. So you're going to squeeze this, and I would also recommend squeezing this other side, even though it doesn't show anything, and popping it open, okay? Again, fighting with it, I've broken it. I should probably get one of my other ones, huh? Anyhow, then we're going to open this up. So it has little arrows there. You can see open. So just turn them, because all this does is hold your wheel in, you know. So you want to place that back on there. I usually leave everything there until I go to do this. Now, I don't even know if it tells you on here how to do it. It doesn't. So this is just a refill. This is the regular refill, less expensive than the... they're both permanent, but there's one that's supposedly acid-free. Well, not supposedly. It is acid-free, and for photos and those kind of things. And I guess they're both acid-free. It doesn't matter. There's two types that they have, so I'm just going to use this one. But, okay, we're going to open it up. And unfortunately, I've had some where you open it and the roll was wrapped wrong, and I don't know if that was... I have no idea what Scotch was doing with those, and you can always take back to the store and just let them know, but I didn't notice for a long time, so I got stuck with them. Okay, so as we're looking at this, this is actually where the expended, you know, the used up paper goes, so that really has nothing to do with anything. But if you're looking at this, it's telling you what you're going to be doing here. So it's kind of interesting stuff. But let me see. I don't really like taking this off because I always like to leave it the way it was, just so I can see what's going on. But they're kind of showing you here in these little images. Let me get this out of the way. Like, okay, when you put it on, here's the new roll. You're going to go over, under, over itself, and then back over here. Okay, so this thing right here, we're going to take it out. I press that tab, loosens it up. Now, you can put this wherever you like. What you're looking for is that, hope you can kind of see, I guess I will take this off. In this image, let's hold it like this, because that's pretty much what the glue runner looks like, right? So you have this new spool, and it's coming up over this thing, and they have arrows here for you, and the arrows here, so it's kind of, you know, they're showing you what to do. But what you have to know is that the glue, let me open this up a little bit. There's some area that's just like not glue at all. The adhesive, which we're still not there yet, still not there yet, still not there yet. Here it is. That stickiness is on the top, okay? I can feel it, that it's sticky. That needs to face you, face down, which is weird. You would think, oh, it's going to come up here and it needs to roll out, but no, it's this way, and this rolls up over, okay? So glue, I can feel it, it's sticky, it's facing me. I'm just going to put this down because I don't like wasting it, but, you know, I try to be, I'm going to take a little bit of this back. Just pop it in there. I don't think it matters. Yeah, there's like little tabs there, so I guess it does matter. There's these two little bits that you need to, you know, find a spot where it's going to pop in. Again, we have this facing the right way now, so now all we have to do is, it's coming off of here, we're going to go over this guy, just like that arrow is showing. We're going to go under this guy and back over itself, which is weird, because it's going to touch itself up here, But this is like that waxy, you know, the stuff that's carried on, so it's not going to stick. But, oh, see how I'm pulling it and it's not doing anything? I can pull it. We have to release the lever. So release the lever, pull, 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 pull until this gets over here. Now I'm going to remove this stuff. And this part, they don't really talk about it much, but basically they're showing you want to get it in here. Let me show you. Ugh. See that there's like little space? There's space here and a space here. Divots. Basically you're going to catch this there. And there's more spaces over here. I mean, you can catch it wherever you like. I always just try to catch it in that little space. So I'm going to get it back over here as much as, oh, release the lever a little, give me a little pull. And I'm going to rotate that back. So I'm going to divot it in here and in here. And that's usually enough for me. If you want to keep using more, then go ahead, but like I'll hold on to it right now because this isn't quite yet at the beginning anyway. So I'm going to let that lever go and I'm going to turn, 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 just so I know that I'm not going to waste any of it at all till I get here. And this should hold on to it now. I always double check here, see how it's kind of off. That's okay. It doesn't matter as long as it rolls off the top. I'm going to close this. Like I said, if I want to, look at that. I'm telling you, it just clamps down so hard, I don't know. So, now, let's say I want to get started. Obviously my glue is here. So, you can break this, like kind of give it a little zhuzh with your finger, or you can just start using it and it'll hold onto your paper. But I usually just kind of break it off. I suppose you can probably take this piece off, but I'm not even going to go with it. Oh! Okay, I went. See, now I'm going to have to start fighting with this. Again, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze until it loosens up. Let's put our guard back on. I am so sorry. I'm like, this is a how-to. I just haven't done this in years, so it's taken that long for me to use that up. You're just going to place this back on. Again, we talked about that little area where we put our tape in, right? And then we have this guy that we're going to place here. Now, there's openings here, these two big spaces, and then it clicks in, right? So I'm going to push that down and then just click it in. It doesn't make a click sound, but what I'm trying to say is put it in that spot. So opposite, you know, open. We're going to go the other way. That's going to hold this back. Okay, now we're ready. Sorry, guys. What can I stick together? Oh, I was thinking about using this later, but I wasn't really going to stick it down to anything. I guess I can stick it to this. Okay, so I'm going to start. I press that. I'm going to decongest this here. And when you're using it, I'm pressing this. When I go to let go, I release that and let go. And it cuts, you know, it rips away basically. So I'm holding it down, let it go. And now I can bring this over. I was thinking about making this into a hidden ultra paper clip, but we'll just stick these two pieces of paper together. Just so that roll is going, and I'm sorry that I forgot to put that little guard back on top, but you got to see how I had to struggle to open this up, and both of them are that way. I have two of them, and they're very difficult to open, which I guess is good. I don't know. Anyway, all right, we're ready to go. All right, thanks for requesting that, you guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.